Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's going to be a short one today. 11 GT automatic running 93 octane. Came in stock and now it's Roush Supercharged. It's our 710R package. We're going to watch a dyno pull. So stick around, check it out. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's go take a look at it. All right, this is probably our most popular 11 to 14 Mustang Coyote Supercharger package. We call it the Roush 710R. I have Doug with me. Come down here, let's take a look. I'll tell you what's included in this package. You get the Roush TVS 2300 Supercharger. Of course, it's intercooled. We do our spine 82mm pulley, MIP 90 right here. That gives you some really good belt wrap. 47-pound injectors. You get the really nice Roush air induction system, a Kenny Bell booster pump, Kohler spark plugs, as well as an SET programmer and the proper tune to make it run. And that's available for mail order or for install. And if you're wondering, hey, what's this cost to get installed? Just email quote@brenspeed.com and I'll put a link in the description of all the parts I just talked about right here. While this is in here, we also installed our rear cylinder head cooling kit. So what is that? We love cooling mods here at Brenspeed. We love large radiators, cooler thermostat like a 170, which is in this vehicle right here. But the rear cylinder head cooling kit ties the back of the heads together to keep your circulation of your antifreeze running around the engine and not get a single hot cylinder. So right now, let's go check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, you know something I did forget to mention? Of course, we did billet oil pump gears and sprocket. Okay, so we did the cooling mods, the 710R package, no long tube headers, and of course the oil pump gears and sprocket right here. Check it out, automatic, 93 octane, 563 real horsepower, peaking at 7,300. Torque came in at 471, 452. Doug, if you don't mind, back up, show the graph going across the board. Killer torque all the way across the board through the auto. That's gonna be a really, really fast car. Sorry, I'm talking fast. I'm sweating. You can probably see that. And we're in Indiana. It's July. Humidity is through the roof. We're about 90 degrees right now. Just the humidity is killing us in here. I was thinking this thing with the auto might make 550, so I was really happy with the 563. So that's awesome. So again, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe and notify us up to date. Thanks for watching.